Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Again, she give me bright and dawn. I'm up bright and early with a brighter bone. Even when I'm in Rome, I feel right at home. The beat got me in a tighter zone. I'm gonna jump to the heart, but I like my own. And I'm kinda grown. I've heard oceans of wisdom. Send somebody better get that boy on the phone. Let him do what he does. Don't change one tone, just leave him alone. What you try with? What you try with?
What the f, dude? Okay, Garmin, save video.
I think you have a camera, right?
God, bro. Can't drive here.
Doesn't that
At the light, use the middle lane to turn left onto Churchill Boulevard. What is your problem, bro?
Through Emmett's probably going to be the fastest for you guys, and definitely the fastest for us.
Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh
You just slow down, sir. Yes!
Oh crap.
You just stop. You don't just stop, dude, and block the goddamn road.
Dude, he's bigger than you.
Dude, he comes and just stops.
I'm doing
You
10
see
miles an hour.
somebody?
Stop.
10 miles.
You know what? I'm not going to sit here and have two motherfuckers get in my face like that. You hear me?
Elaine,
Now, there's no reason for you guys to get hostile like that.
we're not the ones yelling.
Well, you know what?
We're not the
who's
ones
this guy
threatening to
coming?
hurt people.
Nobody's threatening to hurt him. He comes
Yes,
driving
you
up
are.
here
You
and
just
gets
tried to push
he
this door
just
open.
came out and got in my face for no reason.
There's a nasty hazard, a very nasty hazard reported ahead. Frankly, I'd be careful. There's a nasty hazard, a very nasty hazard reported ahead. Frankly, I'd be careful.
Worcester.
Oh my God!
Video locked. Video locked.
Should I push up on the temperature rising? Okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam packed. Tea kettle, I break it down for you now, baby.
So, what the hell? The red light.
Holy Lord.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.